Have you ever seen any eagles on the Elkhorn?
Ooh, I don't remember. I don't think so.
Is it kind of slow? Yeah, real chill today. Yeah, that one gets you on edge sometimes.
Yeah, it's double too. It's like the double faster.
About just as wide though, right?
Yep.
It's about this wide.
Yep.
Yeah, that thing's flowing.
What's up?
No, I just don't want to make sure I don't flip this. Trying to reach back here.
Turn sideways while you're...
Turn sideways in this.
Yeah, and do it. You gotta practice.
I don't trust you, yo.
Practice.
Not today.
Your kayak is so hard to flip.
Yeah, and I flipped it before. So you want a video, right?
Yeah, if you can get it.
I got it. No more mixed fruit, right? That was when we
I like Pedialyte brand mixed fruit.
that was one that you didn't like the last time.
That was the Walmart brand mixed fruit. It's fucking disgusting. Did you drink it?
Ugh.
Ugh.
I ended up sitting on the counter for a couple of days, so I tossed it.
Heck yeah. Babe. So that one's yours.
That's all you've ever seen.
I didn't have big enough bags. I got you.
Nope.
Okay, here.
Nope.
Let me
About to
put
drop
it
all that shit.
Let me put it away for you.
Actually, can you give me that last beer back around?
Do you want fruit beer?
No.
Is it last beer?
No, there's a beer
Beer.
that
Let's see. Alright. Do you need a water or anything?
Nope, got my water right there. You actually like chill on this river. You gotta pay attention at all times. I'm not there.
Okay.
You start spinning your tail.
Oh shit. Sweating. I need to remember to bring a sweat rag. Really do.
You can't.
Nope, just double check and see if there's... I'll drink it if it's warm.
Still there too.
I remember you know. Come over here.
I wonder if he remembers me.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. You remember me.
He probably got 2 bites off me.
Fucking asshole. Mess up my baby's beautiful leg.
Can't trust a husky.
Were you a little weary with that lab this morning?
No.
You could tell immediately, like, his face. When we pulled up, he was just like, okay, gotta get up and check this out.
I don't know, I usually let the dog poke me first and then put my hand down like that. Don't even do that, just this. He's a big boy.
Yeah. Shot dog.
Mm-hmm.
He's a cute little chocolate puppy, I bet.
Hang out. to it.
There's some big options.
I took it off. I thought, don't you keep bumping against your legs?
Yep.
Okay.
Sure is.
Or you do a couple holes in the kayak.
Alright. I like to put these ones.
A little bend thing. I know. It looks like yours did. I think you might be right there.
This is old, babe.
Yeah. It looks good. Yeah.
Old. Look. You want to turn this? Scraping?
Oh no. Shit, they do be good size in here, huh? Over a foot. What the fuck is that? Deer?
A donkey?
Mm.
That's probably a donkey. Sound like a donkey.
Like a bear or no?
Yeah, could be a bear too. Running. Watch a bear just run out into the water. Going the other way. Bubble manufacturing plant right there.
Yeah, building it up. You want to lower them all?
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
I'm like,
But
nah.
I'm tired. You know.
I noticed though, if I do have a Pedialyte, yes. Well, it's nice and cold. One more swig. Just don't tell her I want to hang out on me.
Is that you that told me dragonfly eat mosquitoes?
I know, they're even way better. We need dragonflies. God, look at that blue.
Mm-hmm. Pretty boy.
Two of them. Like my knees. That blue, you can't even make that blue up. Like, look at that.
Natural turquoise.
Yeah.
He might be native.
Could be native.
Beads.
Those are his beads, babe.
His
Oh,
regalia.
so cute. That's a donkey. Or a cow.
I think that's a cow.
Yeah. That was not a very pleasant sound, though. It sounds like he's kind of in some anguish.
Yeah, so he ain't having no good time.
dragonflies, you know, like they hang out on turtles too, and they clean off the yucky stuff on their eyes, on the turtle's eyes and their shell and stuff.
That's what's up.
So then the turtles can see because they get like a buildup, but the dragonflies clean it off.
It sucks to be a turtle. Get some shit wrapped around your neck. Be covered in
Your hands,
barnacles.
You can't do
You
it.
can't do a goddamn
You
thing.
can't feel your shell.
It's all tight, cutting into your skin. You just like, fuck.
Oh, poor babies. There's like sea turtle signs on the ocean. Like if you find a sea turtle, you have to call like 911 right away because they're endangered.
Okay.
So if
Damn.
yeah, and if you're caught with them, like you're going to prison. It's not even a joke. Yeah, like fined imprisonment and stuff. And then sometimes like because they find them and then they collect them because they're endangered, and then they hatch them, and they do like a huge community like event where they let the turtles go like hatch. I would love to watch that. Like the baby sea turtles run into the ocean.
Running for their life.
I would die.
Get to the water.
I know. It was so cute. Ooh, my favorite.
Be nice. Be nice.
Not too bad. Hey, can you put this thing up?
Close to the head.
Just, or just on my back. I'm sorry, up on my back.
Okay.
Yeah. Look how light I was, though.
Damn.
We'll get a couple shades in today.
There's the clouds coming in. That's some storm supposed to come around 12-ish, 1-ish. They're 50% chance.
That's kind of. No, I just.
How you did?
Thank you for grabbing it. That's a house there. Couldn't find my hat in your bedroom, so I'm like, fuck, where'd it go? And you brought it. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna have another hat. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Just put them down.
Let my thighs breathe.
Yeah. Especially hard-working guys.
My blue vein thighs.
Our blood is blue, and then it hits the oxygen, and it turns red. Did you know that?
Yeah, I think I believe it. I don't know if I believe that. It turns red as soon as that's crazy. I don't believe that. That sounds crazy. That sounds crazy.
I don't know, we have oxygen in our blood, so wouldn't it be blue, or wouldn't it be red inside?
So I'm saying, I'm talking about like as soon as you cut your shit, it's red. Like, yo, you don't see no hint of blue. Like, it's just red.
You're right. I don't know. You heard that for like ever, right?
That's real.
They could have found something to be not true all these years later. I don't want to damn. This is how you Dr. Pepper, huh?
Yep.
Shit.
Yep.
Is there grapefruit in there? No, I think it's peach. My bad. I'm sorry. I think it is peach.
Yep. Juicy peach. This one's okay.
Mango wheat. You like the blue moon with the orange?
Mm-hmm.
Have you gotten a blue moon with the orange, like, to draw, like Alcatraz?
I think so. I think we went somewhere I got that.
It's so much different than in the bottle or the can.
Mm-hmm.
The best.
It really is. It's good.
Just like a fresh orange.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Dining table still like on tap is so good. The summer shandy.
The lemonade one?
Yeah. That one on tap is
That's
really
what it
good.
is. This one might taste a little bit better than the Modelo or the Cronus?
Mm-hmm.
Modelo.
Mm-hmm. You're not a big fan of it. Modelo. Are you?
Alright.
They like Coors Light though. That shit.
Oh no, it's kind of smooth.
Disgusting. That is like.
Maybe it's just nice and brisk and cold after.
That was probably it.
Like, damn, bro, my Coors Light not a good beer.
Oh, it's like Bud Light or Busch Light. It's just a beer. It doesn't have any substance to it. I don't know.
What is light? Was that light alcohol or light what?
Flavors, like not like alcohol. They have the same amount of alcohol in it.
Less, more watery?
More like grainy or earthy taste.
For light?
Yeah. And sometimes there's like dark, thick, like heady beer. That fucking shit tastes like, I don't know.
Is it called the ales or?
Yeah, those are disgusting. They're thick.
Like
they're not
ale?
Like this. Yeah. Those are
like,
pale ales. Some of the ales are thick, even if they aren't dark.
But then there's dark thick ones.
Oh yeah. They're so fucking bitter.
You get drunk? You get more drunk off of them?
Yeah, you can, but I've never gotten drunk off of them because I can't stand it. Just one drink and I'm done.
Pale ale, is that what IPA part of?
Or
no?
Yeah. Mhm.
That's a shit.
But not all like ales are thick either, bitter. But the lighter they are, the less bitter.
You don't drink IPAs?
Ooh. I don't drink dark enough.
And a lot of people make their own IPAs now.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe if you can make it to taste good, but.
It's almost like your eggs, turning them out, baby.
Working overtime in that corner.
Did you spin around in circles then?
Yeah, we're going like a mile an hour.
You think so? I think we're rolling decent.
Look at the shore.
I feel like that's fast. You feel like we're going slow?
Oh, so slow.
Like, it's like, you can literally see us moving. Like, sometimes in the sight it just seems like, if you want power, you just be sitting there.
Yeah, you're right, sometimes. Sometimes where it's complete opposite.
Oh, that thing is flowing, babe.
I did not like all them people, though.
Yeah.
In that small of an area.
Hell yeah.
I'm not. Like, that was the worst part of it.
Some of people get pulled up, too. Some boys passed out. Boys was watching over.
So he felt like shit in the sun and got burnt.
He probably drunk when he got there, huh?
Yeah, stupid.
Okay. Going with it.
I had never been drunk, wildly drunk on the water. That does not appeal to me. It's dangerous.
That sounds good.
I mean, like, party tubing, you know, having a couple beers and whatever, but...
Getting a little buzz is fine, but...
Yeah. Getting, like, sloppy ass drunk where you can't even sit up.
Cover your face and just sleep.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing, bro.
Yeah, no, that sounds so dangerous. You just fall off and sink. It's dangerous. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some sun today. I feel it.